Okay guys, so I just got a brand new MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Air. This was on Amazon Prime Day last week for $749, and I just checked. It's still that same price on Amazon, so you guys can pick that up. I put a link in the description down there. But this has the M1 chip, Retina display, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of SSD storage. The keyboard, I believe the one I got here was the Space Gray, but that has a 8-core GPU, or 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU. So I started to open it up a little bit, but then I thought, okay, let me just wait for the video here. So, okay. So I really like Apple's, again, Apple's boxing. You know, I already did that script there, but it's so nice. Just pull it up like this, comes right out, and then start doing the peeling, the plastic on there. It's always so nice the way Apple packages all their stuff. So let's see. Let's see if there's a, it's coming out. Yes, this is the gray, Space Gray. It's nice and light. So this has two USB-C Thunderbolt ports, USB-C 4.0, and it's got a headphone jack on the side. 18-hour battery. Let's see what else included. You got your USB-C cable for charging. And then you got your, it's the, I believe this is the 30-watt USB-C power adapter. So that's nice. All right, so that's everything that's in the box there. And of course, as usual, you got the safety information about it, and our Apple stickers to match the color. So that's nice. Yeah. All right, power this on. It's also got the, look at that, power's on as soon as you open it up. Okay. Look at that. And it's got the fingerprints reader there. So, get started. Yeah, so that's the MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Air. One thing I do recommend if you have older USB-C is to get a adapter. So one of the things I recommend if you have older USB devices is to get one of these. This comes in a 2-pack from Amazon. This is the Syntec USB-C to USB-A adapter. It's a 2-pack. You can get this for like $8.79. So I'll put a link in the description for these. But I've had this with my iMac for a couple years, so they're really nice to have. So if you have flash drives or things like that you want to plug in, just make sure you get a couple of these so you can use it. But that's the new MacBook Air. It's still the one that's on sale from Apple, but usually it's like $1,000 on Apple's website right now, but you can get it for $749 on Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description. It also comes in, I believe it comes in, let's see, Space Gray, gold, and silver. So the one I got is Space Gray. So make sure to like and subscribe, and leave any comments down below. Anything you're interested in seeing, But we will see you next time.